If you've got a car or truck lover that you've got to buy a gift for this holiday season, this video is for you. Or maybe you're just buying it for yourself. You naughty little minx. I'm going to walk you through the top unique gifts for any car or truck lover that's going to blow their mind, but not your budget. Here's the 4 things you'll need for this gift. Number 1, pick a diecast car that they love. We'll need some pillow fill, and we'll use fabric tape to stick that pillow fill to. Behind it, we'll light everything up with some govee lights and make it look like there's smoke coming out of this car. And by using the existing screw mounts on the bottom of the car, you can actually screw it right to the wall. Alright guys, just jumping in real quick to let you know that I've put links in the description below that will take you to the products that I'm showing you in this video. Make sure you subscribe and check out my other automotive content. And now, back to the gifts. Gift 2 is really simple to put together. Just pick a Hot Wheels diorama that they would like and some cars that you know they love. Place them in there, turn on the LED light, and this displays beautifully on a shelf. You can even pick an off-road scene. Picking artwork is all about finding something unique, so if you know they love JDM cars, pick something really different. Gift that might surprise a lot of people, but not if you're a Jeep or truck owner. Find some Velcro patches of things that they love, and they can display it right on the headliner. It's an easy way to look at things that you love to see and make you laugh. Another really cost-effective and unique gift. Find a shift knob anywhere on Amazon, look at my link below, and fill it with paper flowers, real flowers, or if you don't like flowers, fill it with a candy cane. Here's a nice clean way to display some cars that they love. First, find a floating shelf, usually about 23 by 5 inches, and then pick some 1 by 43 die-cast cars. You're going to display those cars on the shelf, and as long as you line everything up, this comes off looking really nice. And for our last gift, let's pick some metal car art. Usually these are about 8 by 12 inches, they're relatively inexpensive, and you can find any sort of content.